How to set up and use Takiyomi app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Play Store and then go to the search bar. After that, simply search for Takiyomi. Now, if you cannot find it in your Play Store or your App Store, simply go to Google or your preferred browser and then search for Takiyomi. And here you will see several options. You can download it from any of the website, but make sure you use the authenticated website. You can also use GitHub and get it. So here you will be able to see all the method of setting up and using it as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.